Okay, I'm going to try to get this done here outside, and it's pretty nice out here. And you know, the reason I'm doing this, another part of the nature series, and I'm going to show you out here in the backyard how back in there, can you see, of course there's a bag, stupid garbage, but there's actually a creek, and it's kind of like part of the little nature thing, you know, when you're Aunt Lucy, and especially your mom who liked the outdoors, she'd get out here and she would really go back out here. There's a whole lot of, there's a bridge out there, which I can't get to right now. But there, if I can get back in there, see that stump? That's probably where a fox lives, or did live. And then, I wanted to ask you, do you remember when we made that mud pie? I kept it for a long time. Sure did. And back there, I know you hear the dog, and you know the dog. Yep. Got him tied up over there. And you might look and see on the other nature series, I made a bunch of them. One of them was about a bumblebee or something. It might have been a hornet. That was one video, and the other one was killing the fire ants. There's some more of that creek back in there, and then of course the turtle, which you said you didn't see, the water turtle. See that back in there? I saw some cows back in there the other day. They were splashing around trying to cool off. Yeah. I've never seen an alligator back in there. Haven't seen that yet, but I'll back off to give you the whole view of this. Of course, you remember it's backyard. You know, creek's back in there. And in the cabin over here. Panorama. Bye.